In this video, we will discuss 1. What is a W-2 form? And 2. What is the difference between paper filing and e-filing, as well as what services we offer? The W-2 is an annual return where employers report employees' wages and taxes. The form is filed once a year, and the employer must submit copy A of their W-2 and W-3 to the Social Security Administration. Also, every employer must provide a W-2 copy to each employee by January 31st. Currently, there are two ways to submit a W-2, paper filing and e-filing. There are three major differences between paper filing and e-filing. 1. The due date. For paper filing, the due date is the end of February, but for e-filing, the due date is at the end of March. 2. Submission method. When you file a W-2 on paper, you must mail both W-2 and W-3 to the SSA, but when you e-file a W-2, you do not need to submit a W-3 because it will be included in the transmission file. And 3. Confirmation. When you e-file a W-2, the Social Security Administration will assign a confirmation number for your submission. But when you mail a W-2, the SSA will not provide any confirmation. Things to know about W-2 filing. An employer must use his or her FEIN to file the W-2. You cannot use your Social Security number. If you do not have an FEIN, you will need to contact the IRS. If your employee does not have a Social Security number or is in the process of applying for one, you can still e-file a W-2 by filling in his or her Social Security number with all zeros. If you have more than one employee without a Social Security number, we recommend you prepare their e-files separately to avoid having information mixed. According to the Statute of Limitations, you can only backfile 3 years. For example, if the current tax year is 2012, the earliest period you can file is 2009. If you need to backfile for 2008, you will need to contact the SSA. eSmart Payroll provides e-file services, where we will transmit information to the Social Security Administration once you have submitted an order. We call this a one-time process, because once you submit, you won't be able to make any changes. So if you make a mistake, you will need to file a correction or a W-2C. You can also request print and mail service, which we will discuss in the next video. We also have another service called W-2 Manager, which gives you full control in managing your W-2 filing. With W-2 Manager, you can prepare your W-2, print forms, review and edit the information, and e-file. Unlike eSmart Payroll, W-2 Manager lets you choose if you want to file W-2 on paper instead of e-filing. For more information, please check out the W-2 Manager website. In our next video, we will discuss the process of e-filing your W-2 through eSmart Payroll. If you have any questions, please contact us by email or phone.